Hey friends, I'm Devjyoti Acharya. In this video, I'll show you how to change the font style in Honor devices running on EMUI 5.0 or its ever versions. I'm using Honor 6X in this video. If you go to the settings menu, then display and text styles, you will have just a default font. So at first, you have to download some font files. The download links are given below in the description area. After downloading the files, you will go to the download folder, and there you will see the files are in zip format or files with .zip extension. You need to rename the extension to .hwt. I'm renaming every files. Then select all files and move it to HWthemes folder, which is located at internal storage. Now your work is just finished. Now just go to themes and then customize. Go to font, and here you can see the font you have downloaded, and choose whatever you like and apply it. Now your device is running on your applied font. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.